What is the use of explode command? Explode command used for compound object. If you have this compound object, so you can easily remove this compound object for use the explode command. So let's start. We learn how can we explode, remove compound file. For example, I have you see this one is compound file. Now I will select is one object, and you see this all is file is highlight. This one is compound file. So how can we explode this file? How we will compound file? So let's start. Active this explode file, and which object you want to break the compound, I will select here, then press enter from mouse. You see this object is now is break. So again I want to use this command, press enter. You see now this one is all is everything is separate. Before you see they have is compound file. You see this one is here is compound file. All of thing is compound, walls, tables, and there is some equipment. Okay, everything is compound. Now you see there is everything is select is separate. So this is the use of explode command. Thank you.